Have you been watching IREN lately? The stock just smashed through its previous records and hit an all-time high, driven not just by Bitcoin mining, but by something much bigger, a bold shift into artificial intelligence and cloud computing. With fiscal year 2025 earnings now out, IREN has surprised Wall Street, beaten expectations, and left investors wondering, is this the beginning of a new era for the company, or just another hype cycle in a volatile market? Stick around because in this deep dive, we'll break down IREN's earnings, its transition into AI infrastructure, and what this means for you if you're tracking the top stocks to watch now. So first, let's talk about the numbers. IREN stock has officially set a new record, climbing past $29.50 in August 2025. That's not just a 52-week high, it actually beats the company's prior peak from 2021. In fact, IREN shares are up more than 300% since March this year, showing how quickly sentiment can change when a company executes on growth and delivers the right news to the market. What triggered this surge? It wasn't only Bitcoin's rebound above $96,000, it was also IREN's stronger than expected quarterly results and a new partnership recognition from Nvidia, earning the coveted preferred partner status. That means IREN isn't just another miner anymore. It's becoming a real player in the AI data center world. Now, let's dive into IREN's FY25 earnings results. Quarterly revenue came in at $187.3 million, up 228% year over year. Net income flipped from a loss last year to a strong profit of around 70 cents per share this quarter. Mining capacity expanded to 50 exahash per second, a staggering 400% increase. But here's the big kicker. While Bitcoin mining still drives the bulk of revenue, over $180 million this quarter, the company's AI business is scaling at lightning speed. IREN has now secured over 10,900 high-end Nvidia GPUs, including H100, H200, and the newly announced B300 chips. Management's target is to push annualized AI cloud revenue to $200 to $250 million by year-end. Compared with just $26 million today, that's nearly a tenfold growth goal in less than 12 months. This dual strategy, Bitcoin mining for steady cash flow and AI for long-term scalability, is what's fueling both analyst optimism and retail investor excitement. What makes IREN unique compared to other miners is its infrastructure approach. The company isn't just buying GPUs, it's investing in the physical backbone, data centers, cooling systems, and energy efficiency. With its Nvidia Preferred Partner badge, IREN now gains early access to cutting-edge chips, technical support, and potentially high-profile AI customers. This is significant because the AI cloud market is projected to grow exponentially through 2030. If IREN can carve out even a small percentage of that demand while leveraging its low-cost renewable energy, it could completely redefine its identity. From just another Bitcoin miner to a leading AI infrastructure provider. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing. There are risks you need to watch. Bitcoin volatility, a sharp downturn could cut into mining revenue. AI competition, big names like Amazon, Microsoft, and CoreWeave dominate cloud GPU rentals. IREN must scale quickly to compete. Capital intensity, building data centers and buying GPUs isn't cheap. Dilution or debt could come into play. Still, investors seem confident that management is striking the right balance. Price targets have already been raised. Riley bumped theirs from 22 to 29, and Macquarie even set a bullish 33 target, citing AI growth momentum. So, where does IREN fit among the top stocks to watch now? If you're tracking the AI and crypto crossover space, IREN is clearly front and center. But it's not alone. Other peers worth watching include CleanSpark, CLSK, Bitfarms, BITF, and Hive Digital, HIVE. Each of these companies is navigating the same trend, leveraging Bitcoin operations to fund expansion into high-performance computing. However, IREN's Nvidia partnership sets it apart, giving it a strategic edge as demand for AI cloud services skyrockets. So here's the takeaway. IREN stock has hit an all-time high, backed by record IREN earnings and a bold pivot into artificial intelligence. Whether it can maintain this momentum will depend on execution, but for now, it's firmly in the spotlight. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps more people find content like this. And if you want to stay updated on the biggest moves in AI, crypto, and the stock market, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss the next big market shift. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.